Hi, I'm Susan Patang from the Quiet Zone Coaching, and welcome to 5 Ways to Be Miserable for the Rest of Your Life. Number one, constantly remind yourself of every mistake that you've ever made. Number two, make sure to beat yourself up every time you fall short of your goals. Number three, take everything good in your life for granted. Number four, push the people you love the most away from you. Number five, make sure to be angry, irritated, and frustrated all the time. Now, does that sound like a really good recipe to be miserable for the rest of your life? It does, doesn't it? Okay. But that's not what we want. We want to feel good. We want to be happy. Okay. That's what everybody wants out of life. So that's what my life coaching does for you. I will help you learn how to feel good when life sucks. I'll show you how to find the path in life and how to be happy. I'll show you how to deal with annoying people and situations and how to have better relationships, as well as teaching you how to deal with crappy days. I mean, that's part of being a human being, right? I mean, it can't all be happy, happy, joy, joy all the time, can it? So, if you want to learn how to deal with anxiety, if you want to learn how to handle a crappy day, if you want to learn how to handle the annoying people in your life and how to make your life a happier, better thing for you and live it the way that you want to live it, go to www.thequietzonecoaching.com. Click on the button that says, click here for a free consultation, and you will get onto my auto scheduler. Let's make an appointment. Let's talk about what's going on in your life and how I can help you get where you want to be. And don't worry about money. I have a program for every budget. We will create something special just for you that will fit into your budget. So please reach out, and I can't wait to talk to you. Speak to you soon.